Comrades, if you want to see really that South Africa it is a movie, and we are indeed led by the criminals, abanganandaba nathi, abanganandaba ni South Africa, abafuna nje ukumosha ukudestroy. Today you have people in high positions, some of those being the members of parliament, who today they want to question the authenticity, iqiniso from the media briefing that General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi did. I mean, why would you question that, and why wouldn't you even believe that from what General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi said, ikhona iqiniso lapho. In fact, everything that he said, kuyiqiniso. As we speak right now, there are people that were arrested after that. There were people, I mean, he spoke something about the DJ that was killed. And then we saw after there were people that were arrested, who some of them today are being denied even nama bail. And then some of you want to question that. You want to question if General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, from what he said from that media briefing, or you even want to now put him in the corner. That's where you see, comrades, that these people, they don't care about you. And they don't care about you, especially those of you who, some of you even voted for these stupid leaders, abanganandaba, who today they want to question or they want to say, no, from what General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi said, no, aksiqiniso lelo. But then if that there was no truth from that, then why did people get arrested after that? Why people are being denied ama bail today? Because I'm telling you, if General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi never spoke, there were some of those people, those people would not be arrested today because of, I'm sure, where they are, they hate General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Some people would not be suspended today. Some people today would not have even an acting police minister today if General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, what he said was a lie. So this goes to prove, we are led by criminals. We are led by criminals. In fact, they are the real, those who some of you, some of these people you see them as leaders are the ones who are supposed to even be behind bars right now.